Developed by the experts at Ramtech Electronics, WES3 uses the latest technology to create a completely wireless system that provides a unique way to protect your site and its occupants in the event of an emergency. WES3 is quick to install, simple to operate, and is completely customized to meet the needs of your site, no matter how often things change. You can include an unlimited number of units in any combination and add, remove, or reposition units as many times as required. Every unit has a 3-year battery life under normal use, so there's no need for an external power supply of any kind. Simply turn the units on, and they are ready to go. The WES3 range includes the very latest innovations in wireless alarms, including medical call points, heat and dust-resistant smoke sensors, and an interface unit for connecting to other linked systems on site, such as a building management system or standpipe monitor. WES3 now also incorporates WES Connect. It's this use of technology that has made WES3 the system of choice for evacuation safety on sites around the world. To find out more, visit www.wessafety.com.